Hi, I am the host bot for UK-based Ruby on Rails developer Paul Anthony McGowan. I am just introducing the new host Rails 7 Jumpstart themes inspired by Chris Oliver's Rails 6 template but built from the ground up with vanilla Rails 7. There are many features built in, which are typically needed in a commercial Ruby on Rails app, and I am just going to go through some of them here. It is configured for email sends and uses Postgres for the ORM with active record. You can just enter your Gmail and Postgres details after copying the environment example file and start the setup process listed in the README. Devise Auth with OmniAuth controller, along with Pundit, is used for sign-up and login. It is also set up with an admin role via Boolean flag and limitless other roles like user and member, separately with the enum hash on the user model. You can create another user controller for other uses in the application and configure it to interact. It has social media login auth functionality also, and extras like Faker for test content with also friendly IDs, user avatars, usernames, fav icons, notifications and announcements are also set up. The template is pre-configured with the main JavaScript and CSS tools and libraries introduced in Rails 7 and uses Rollup to build the application. Tools like Import Map, JavaScript and CSS bundling, along with Turbo, Hotwire, Stimulus and Request.js are already set up and configured with the default Bootstrap 5 and Bootstrap icons used for minimal styling, with Sass being easily swapped out if you want to use a different CSS framework or your own styles. Testing is taken care of via Bundle Audit, RSpec, Shuttle Matchers, and Rubocop for code formatting, along with other related tools for them to be used, and a set of optimal Rubocop rules for the formatting, and for jobs and processes. Sidekick is installed with basic setup and can be expanded on when needed. A separate admin panel and views are also configured using administrate, and you can just set any user to admin in the console by changing the Boolean flag, and the admin can also have any of the other roles which are set on the user model via enum. Commonly used in commercial apps are service objects, where the controller actions are handed off to services, and here we use the Light Services gem for this, which was written by work colleague Andrew Emelianenko, which can be used typically in a step system for the related services it handles. There are other features also which make it simpler to set up a decent starting point for new commercial Rails 7 applications, and a light-themed version also. In the pipeline is a UUID multi-tenancy with Rails Jumpstart version in a different repo, but for now these two versions, open source MIT licensed, are ready to go at github.com, xhostem, Rails 7 Sass Jumpstart Octo. Feel free to clone or create a PR. If you want to contribute, kindly send an email to me at info@xhostcom.com. Have a great day and try not to take too many cabin fever tablets.